Don't pay for compressors, maintenance, and repair bills. Instead, just pay for the air you use with KAiFree. KAiFree is flexible, allowing you to adjust compressor size up or down as needed with no hidden costs. Only pay a low annual access fee and for the hours you run the compressor. Our 5-step process is quick and easy. First, select a compressor size based on your current flow and pressure needs. We'll confirm the order and ship it to your location with no freight cost. Place the compressor where needed and connect it to your electrical supply. Also, ensure you have a drain and piping nearby. Your local Kaeser technician will then mount the accessories and connect the compressor to your system. We'll show you how to operate the system when we start it up. Finally, Kaeser will email you a monthly usage report and bill your credit card, PayPal, or checking account for the usage fee. That's it. In the unlikely event of downtime, we'll respond and get you back up and running for no cost. Currently, this product is only offered in areas covered by Kaeser factory stores. Get your KAiFree compressed air system today.